Flaxseed has taken very important responsibilities for human health since ancient time. This seed, which provides incredible benefits to our body with its rich compound pool, prevents the formation of many metabolic diseases. What are the benefits of flaxseed consumption? When and how much should be consumed? Let's examine together. You can subscribe to our channel for free before moving on to the benefit. We are here with a new informative video every day. What are the benefits of consuming a tablespoon of flaxseed a day? Flaxseed contains healthy fats such as omega-3, which protects heart health. These fatty acids help reduce bad cholesterol levels in the body and increase good cholesterol level. The phytochemicals it contains work with fatty acids to reduce inflammation in the body. Flaxseed also contains many minerals such as potassium, magnesium, which are very important for your heart. These substances support cardiovascular functions and relax the blood vessels by reducing the tension in the vessel. In addition, flaxseed is rich in unsaturated fatty acid, which block the amount of sugar in your blood and control the way it is used by the body. In people with sugar imbalance, glucose particles form inappropriate bonds with protein substances in the body, rendering them of poor quality. This process is called glycation. It prevents the formation of glycation with omega-3 and other healthy fatty acids in flaxseed. This makes it easier to control blood sugar. This seed is a good source of insoluble fiber, which remains in the digestive tract after consumption. Insoluble fiber helps improve digestion by absorbing excess water in the gut. 2 tablespoons of flaxseed contains about 13 grams of dietary fiber. This ratio supports the development of beneficial probiotic bacteria in the intestine. Flaxseed against diseases. Many beneficial minerals such as iron, magnesium, potassium, calcium increase body resistance by facilitating immune activities. It fights diseased structures that take control in processes where the immune system is low due to bacteria and viruses. On the other hand, this seed contains thiamine and potassium substances that increase blood flow to the brain and also have antioxidant properties. It also fights depression caused by low serotonin level. With the tryptophan it contains, it helps to increase the hormones melatonin and serotonin, thereby reducing the level of anxiety. At the same time, this seed allows iron to be absorbed more easily in the body. In this way, it prevents the formation of anemia by increasing the amount of hemoglobin in the blood. So, does flaxseed have harmful effects? First of all, this seed is currently among the substances used by the medical world to make drugs. As such, it has the potential to interact with certain medications. If you have medications that you need to use regularly, you should consult your doctor before consuming strong compounds such as flaxseed. In addition, flaxseed, due to its pulp and spongy internal structure, can cause some problems, especially in the stomach and digestive system, when consumed too much in a short time. Therefore, controlled consumption is very important. So how much flaxseed should be consumed? Today, flaxseed can be consumed in the form of tablets, powder, and oil. Experts state that consuming a spoon a day 3 to 4 days a week provides incredible benefits to our body. You can increase your health level in the long run, especially by adding it to salad, meals, yogurt, and healthy drinks. In the light of this information, you can add flaxseed to your diet and benefit from its long-term benefit. If you like our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Stay well, stay informed.